Good morning, everybody. Looks like today we have a heavy load, almost 300. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a lot of scenic capture or captivity, but I'll do my best. Gotta focus on this almost 300 packages. Day 70, baby. Let's go. All right, for today, I got the van signed in. I'm gonna be running it hard today since we got 294 packages. So let's freaking get this, bro. We're gonna do our DVIC and then head down to the loading zone. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done for the day, 8:35. Finally hit that 300 mark. I had to do it. I had to prove myself I can do it. So I've overcome the limit of my body. It almost gave out, but I was like, nope. I kept talking to myself, but yeah, good day today. 300 packages, let's go.